Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas fruit in Z-Piece. These festive fruits are highly sought after for their powerful and unique abilities, offering a significant boost to your character. We will go over the primary ways to obtain them, ensuring you have a clear roadmap to add these valuable items to your inventory. Get ready to enhance your gameplay with these special seasonal rewards. One of the most common ways to acquire Christmas fruit is through dedicated farming. Focus on defeating specific enemies, especially those found in seasonal event zones. These creatures often have a small chance, perhaps 1 in 100, of dropping a fruit upon defeat. Consider forming a party with 2 or 3 friends to increase your efficiency and cover more ground, making the grind much more manageable and fun. Seasonal events and special quests are fantastic opportunities to earn Christmas fruit. Developers often introduce limited-time challenges during the festive period, offering these fruits as guaranteed rewards for completion. Keep an eye on the in-game announcements and event boards. Some quests might require you to collect 20 specific items or defeat 5 unique bosses. These events typically last for 2 to 3 weeks, so plan your time wisely. To maximize your chances, consider trading with other players. Sometimes, a fair exchange can save you hours of farming. Joining an active guild or community can also provide valuable insights and coordinated farming efforts. Remember, staying informed about game updates is crucial, as new methods or increased drop rates might be introduced. With a bit of persistence and smart play, you will surely add these festive fruits to your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.